Zippo is probably the most overrated lighter brand. The original one just get empty of its gas, and the butane model, as you can see, cannot even light a fire. Well, in this case, there's something we can do to enhance the situation, not solve it, enhance. And it will be to remove those two Phillips screw under the lighter, and there you will find this little knob. First of all, remove that little rubber piece that is right there under, which will give us access to this little ring that is just under. And this ring, its job is to make the knob not able to go far enough to get enough gas to light a fire. So remove that ring, do an half turn, and technically you should be able to light a fire. I will go for another half turn just to be sure. Technically the flame should be a little bit bigger. And just for fun, I will go, and I'm not recommending it, but I will go for another full turn. Flame is a bit bigger, but again, I do not recommend it. Thing is that if you go too far, there will be too much butane and the lighter will choke. So you will have the same problem. You won't have any fire. So I will not put the ring back. I'll just put that little piece of rubber and put back everything in place. And yeah, it will, like I said, enhance the situation. But I did had the problem of not being able to have fire even after that sometime. So the best solution to avoid that kind of problem is to avoid to buy a Zippo. I'll have a link in the description to a lighter that is probably less than half the price of a Zippo, and that works every single time. So I hope this was helpful. And this, yeah, goodbye.